Today we are going to learn in EVS subject unit 2 plants. In this unit we see here plants around us and after one lesson lives in our life. Today we are see here plants around us. In our around many plants are there. Some are big plants and some are small plants. And see, some plants have flowers and some plants have fruits. But some plants neither have fruits or nor flowers. Okay, and see here it. But any plant that they are not useless. All plants, every plant is useful. See, plants can mainly categorized in following ways. Okay, first one see tree. Tree means trees are very big in size. They are tall plants and which mainly have roots, stem, hard trunk. Trees have hard trunk and many branches are there. They can live many years. Trees are tall plants. They have many hard. They have branches and hard trunk is there. Trees live many years. Okay, which are they see here? Some examples are there. First one, banyan tree. Okay, banyan tree. In Marathi that is called वडाचे झाड. Next one, neem. People. This is people tree. Mango tree. Next, apple tree and rubber tree. These all plants have tall in size. They are tall plants and they are very big in size. Okay, they have hard trunk, many branches, leaves. They can live many years. And see here there are some trees which do not have branches. Like date palm and coconut tree. Okay, next one, herbs. Herbs are those plants whose leaves are used in cooking, add a flavor. Herbs leaves we use in cooking to add flavor of the food or as a medicine. See, for example here, rosemary, tulsi, mint, etc. You know tulsi, mint. That tulsi we use like a medicine. Okay, they have soft green stem. Okay, see, for example, rosemary. This is rosemary plant. Second one, tulsi, and this one, mint. These plants leaves we add cooking for flavor. Okay, next, shrubs. Third one, shrubs. Shrubs are those plants which have several wood stems. They are of medium size. Shrubs are in medium size. Trees are big size and shrubs are in medium size. See, and they grown as hedges. They are also called bushes. Shrubs are also called bushes. For example, rose plant. Next, hibiscus and henna. See here that plants. This is a rose plant. Next, hibiscus and henna. These are called shrubs or bushes. Okay. Next, climbers. Okay, climbers are the plants that grow upwards of taking support. Climbers stem very weak. That's why climbers are grow taking support by other plants or other objects. See, which are they? Gourd, grapevine and pea. See here. This is grapevine. Grapevine also that grow upward by taking support of other object or other trees. Next, gourd, Gourd, gourd and pea. Okay. these plants trail on ground only. Okay. These plants also stem is very big, so that's why they trail on ground only. For example, watermelon, muskmelon and pumpkin. See here, this plant of watermelon, muskmelon and pumpkin. This plant stem is very big, so that's why they trail on the ground. And next one, see, desert plants. On desert plants, the plants not only grow but also survive for many days without water. This type of plants survive many days without water. Other plants need water, always they need water, but desert plants, they survive without water many days. Okay, that plants in desert area. Okay, for example, see date palm, cactus and open tea. See here, date palm like our coconut tree. Next, cactus and open tea. These all plants live with many days of without water. Okay. Next, aquatic plants. These plants can grow and live in and around water. They live in water only. Okay. Due to their ability of survival in the aquatic environment, we call them aquatic plants. These plants live in water only, in water area. Here, for example, lotus. Here, lotus and water lily. These plants survive in the aquatic environment, in the water. Okay. Understood this? Plants around us. In this chapter, we saw many type of plants in our around. Many plants are there. Some are small, some are big. Some plants have fruits, some plants have flowers, and some plants neither have fruits nor flowers. And these all plants divide some types of this type of plants. First one, trees. In that we saw examples. Trees are very big in size. They have hard trunk and many branches. Next, we saw the herbs. We sing herbs. Herbs we use like a medicine or in food as a flavor. Next, shrubs. Shrubs have medium size, not small or not big. They have medium size. They are also called bushes. Climbers grow upwards to taking support of other plants or other objects. Creepers, they trail on ground only. They have weak stem. Desert plants, they live many days without water, and they live in desert area. And aquatic plants, that plants grow in water only, and that is called aquatic plants. Understood? See here, given assessment. First, write the answer in yes or no. Creepers can live for many years. Yes or no? No. Trees live many years. Date palm is an aquatic plant. No. Date palm is a desert plant. Gourd plant is a climber. Yes. And cactus can live for many days without water. Yes. Fill in the blanks. Trees can live for many years. Trees can live many years. Second one, some plants do not have flowers or fruits. Third one, desert plants can survive without water for many days. Here, water. And fourth one, plants that grow and live in water are called aquatic plants. Okay. Next, answer the following questions. See, Which kind of plants can live for many years? Which kind of plants? Trees. Second one, why do climbers need support? Because that plant's stem is very weak. Third one, write the names of any two aquatic plants. Two names of aquatic plants, lotus and water lily. Fourth one, what is it very difficult for the plants to grow in the desert? Because there is not water. What is very difficult? Because there is not water is there, so that's why very difficult in desert area grow trees, plants. Answer the following questions, long answer type question. What are creepers? Give example. What are creepers? Creepers have very weak stem. They trail on ground only, and write there two examples. Which plants are also called bushes? Give their examples. Which plants are also called bushes? Shrubs. They are in medium size, and give their examples also. Third one, name the plants which are used for medicines. How do you know them? Two plants, herbs, mint or tulsi. We use for medicine. That plants leaves are very small and green color. And fourth, how are plants useful to us? This question you write only, okay? And tick mark the correct option. See first, lotus is a plant that grow in where grow lotus plant? Option B, water. Okay, second, what type of plants of Opuntia desert? A type of plant that desert area. See, second one, tulsi is a herb whose leaves are used for flavor. And fourth, who have weak stem. Creepers also and climbers also weak stem is there. Okay, you write here creeper. Understood?